In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to download Google Photos to computer. First of all, open any browser on your computer and then search on your browser photos.google.com and then just sign up here with your account. And now what we have to do, just select the first photo from your photos and then scroll down to the bottom until you find your last photo, and then hold shift on your keyboard and select the last photo like this, and then it will automatically select all of your photos from your first photo to the last one. And to download them, we need to click on the three dots from the top right corner and then click on download, or you can use the shortcut key which is Shift+D, and it will start preparing your download. And depending on the photo size, it will take that much time to download your files. And once the downloading is complete, you can see this zip file has been downloaded here, and to open that we need to click on this folder icon and go to the downloads location where your file has been downloaded. And to extract that, we need to right click on it and then you'll see the option of extract all. Just click on it, then click on extract, and then you can see all the photos are now available on my computer. You can see them here. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.